Hi, welcome back to our tutorials. My name is Ashley Honeycutt. I am the Director of Health Coaching Operations here at YourCoach Health, an end-to-end practice management platform and the only operating system for behavior change powered by health and wellness coaches. Today, we're going to be working on setting up live video sessions for your clients. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to assume that you've already set up your program and your practice on the platform. If you haven't done that yet, make sure you go back and check out those tutorials first. So let's dive right in. We're going to start here on the Your Space page. You're going to see my practice is over here and my programs are here. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will also be working in the web version of our platform. We do have a mobile version as well. So to set up those live sessions, we can come over here to this sidebar, this menu here on the left. We're going to go to our to-dos, which is going to bring us to our calendar. Now remember, when you're setting up your programs, you can give your clients the option to where they can set up their sessions themselves. I'm going to show you how they can do that here in just a little bit. This is just us walking through where you as a coach can set up these sessions. Also, when you set up your programs, you do have the option to have these live sessions auto-scheduled on certain days or at certain times. So that's an option as well to automate that. So this is just our manual process. So we're going to come in here. We can go over to Add Event. We're going to click Add Event, Add Live Session. When I click on that, I can give it a title. So let's say that this is going to be a wellness vision session. It's going to be for a program. It's going to be for my client, Rowan. So I'm going to click on her right there, confirm it. This is going to be repeated just once. This is going to be my first one, but I could set it to where this could be something that's repeated every day. Maybe it's something we're going to meet weekly or even monthly. I'll pick the date. So I'm going to set that for today. The time, I'm going to go ahead and set this for 11:20 a.m. And duration is set for an hour right here. I'm going to go ahead and change this to 30 minutes. There we go. And if I come down here to notes, maybe the client is going to fill out the Wheel of Life. So I can put that in here so that I'm reminding myself to check for that. And also it's a nice reminder for them there that they have that to fill out. So I can go ahead and save this and you're going to see it appear on your calendar. It's also going to populate for the client on their calendar. They'll get a nice little notification in the bell right here that it has been scheduled for them and they'll see that. Now, we can get to this to-do calendar a couple of different ways. The easiest way, of course, is with this menu on the left-hand side. There's also, if you were, say, in the chats here, and we were working on the program with Rowan from the chats, and let's say I was chatting with her, we had picked out the date that she was going to want to do this session. I could come directly to the to-do calendar from the chat, and I can also get to it from the Your Space page. If I go into our program that we have, you'll see that the to-dos, I guess, clickable right here at the top. So a couple of different ways to get us to that same place, whichever is most convenient for you and where you're currently working. Now, when I'm ready to start that session, there's a couple of different ways that I could do that. One is through this notification bell. So if I click on that right here, you're going to see a couple of things pop up. First, you'll see that the Wellness Vision session is ready to start. So I can start it directly from here. The other option is if I'm in my to-do calendar and let's say that I have the day pulled up, you'll see that session right here and I can start it from here. It's totally up to your convenience which one you prefer. I'm going to go ahead and start it from right here. So I see it's asking for permissions to use my camera and my microphone. So of course I'm going to allow that. You'll see the audio is enabled here and video is enabled here. I'm going to go ahead and start that session. So here we go, permissions for camera and microphone. I want to allow those to make sure that they're going to work. And then we'll see right here on the screen, and soon our client will be joining. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Welcome. So this is how we start a live session. It's super easy, very convenient. We have the option down here where we can record. Of course, I can turn video off. You can turn your video off. We can also temporarily mute or unmute ourselves. We can also see a participant list. So if you're running a group program, you will see that. And then When we are ready to complete the session, super easy, we can just come over here to end session. Thanks so much for joining us, Rowan.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You'll see this confirmation here to end the session. I'm going to go ahead and confirm that. Once the session is completed, it's going to bring us back to our to-do calendar. So if I wanted to click on that session that has been completed, it's going to bring me to this nice little summary that's here. I can see the participants that were there, the basic information on the session, the description, and if we had opted to record that, the recording would appear right here. Now, I also promised to show you what this looks like from the client side, because of course your clients have the autonomy to schedule their own live sessions based on how you set up your program. You establish how many live sessions they can set up and attend, and then also you set your availability for when you are available for those live sessions. And they can set those by going to their home screen. Now, for your clients, this is a very seamless, easy process. When they join your program, this is the screen that they're going to see. Right in the top right-hand corner, they're going to have this option to book a live session. They can click right here. It's going to pull up all of the available times that you have, and all they need to do is select that time that's convenient for them. They can schedule that live session. It does show how many available sessions they have left to schedule. It'll also show them available days that you have for scheduling. Once they've chosen that time, they can come down here, hit schedule a live session, and it's that easy. The live session is scheduled. Now you're going to get a notification that they have scheduled it, and it's going to appear on both of your calendars. I hope that this tutorial has been very helpful for you in establishing and setting up those live sessions. Remember, all of your video sessions within the YourCoach platform are HIPAA compliant and protected. So we wish you happy coaching, and please be sure to check out our other tutorials. Should you have any other questions, please use the blue headphones right in the top right-hand corner of the platform, and we'd be happy to help you.